Hello everyone, myself Miss Lokhande Vaijayanti Mahesh, B Farm, lecturer at Mua Rural Institute of Pharmacy Sonai. Today we will going to discuss about chemotherapy of microbial disease part 2. The content of my slides are: first one, chemotherapy of protozoal disease, that is anti-malarial; second, anti-cancer; and third one, penicillin and other antibiotics. In that first we discuss chemotherapy of protozoal disease, that is anti-malarial. In malaria, it is caused by parasitic protozoa of the genus Plasmodium, which include following four types. First one, Plasmodium vivax; second, Plasmodium falciparum; third one, Plasmodium ovale; and last one, Plasmodium malariae. Next concept is antimalarial. The drug which are used in the treatment of malaria are called antimalarial. In that next we discuss classification of antimalarial. First class, cinchona alkaloid, example quinine. Second, 4-aminoquinolones, example chloroquine and amidoquine. Third class, 8-aminoquinolones, example primaquine. Fourth class of antimalarial includes acridine, example mecaprine. Fifth class, bigonides, example proguanil. Sixth one, diaminopyridines, example pyrimethamine. Seventh one, quinoline methanol, example mefloquine. And last one, miscellaneous, example sulfonamide and tetracycline. In that we discuss the example of quinine. It is an alkaloid obtained from cinchona bark. Mechanism of action of quinine. Quinine is a sigantocidal and therefore used as a suppressive. Quinine has term as general protoplasmic poison. It depresses the variety of enzymatic process and reduce ciliary activity and inhibit phagocytosis and growth of fibroblast. Next one, adverse effect. In that first, cinchonism. Next, black water fever. Next, nephrotoxicity. Next, ringing in ear, nausea, vomiting, burning of vision and acute renal damage. Disturbance of color vision, ventricular arrhythmia. Next one we discuss therapeutic uses. In that first, in malaria, and second use is in cramps. Next one, preparation. Quinine is available in quinine hydrochloride tablet IP. Dose 300 to 600 mg daily. Trade name includes Vigo tablet and Flucofoy. Next we discuss anti-cancer agent or anti-tumor agent or anti-malignant agent or cytotoxic agents. In that, the drug which are used in the treatment of cancer are called anti-cancer agent. Classification of anti-cancer agent include following classes. First one, alkylating agent. Example, chlorambucil, busulfan, cyclophosphamide and nitrogen mustard. Second class antimetabolites. Example, methotrexate, mercaptopurine and fluorouracil. Third class antibiotic. Example, mitomycin C and actinomycin D. Fourth class hormones. Example, androgen, estrogen, progestin and corticosteroids. Fifth class radioactive isotopes. Example, radioiodine and radio gold. Sixth class enzyme. Examples of enzyme includes L-asparginase. Seventh class vincalicloid. Example, vinblastine and vincristine. Last one, miscellaneous. Example, cisplastine and procarbazine. Next topic is antibiotic. Antibiotics are the chemical substance produced by microorganism having the property of inhibiting the growth or destroying the microorganism in high dilution. Classification of antibiotic include three classes. First one, antibiotic effective against gram-positive bacteria. Example, penicillin, ampicillin and erythromycin. Second class include antibiotic mainly effective against gram-negative bacteria. Example, streptomycin, gentamicin and cycloserine. Third class, antibiotic effective against both, that is gram-positive and gram-negative. Example, tetracycline, chloramphenicol, amoxicillin and cephalosporin. Next one, according to the spectrum of activity, antibiotic classify following two classes. First one, narrow spectrum antibiotic and second, broad spectrum antibiotic. In that first narrow spectrum antibiotic, the antibiotic which are selectively effective either on gram positive and gram negative or certain fungi or yeast. Example, benzyl penicillin, erythromycin and vancomycin. Second, broad spectrum antibiotic. In that the antibiotic which are effective on a large number of pathogen, not only gram positive and gram negative but also on intercellular organism like viruses, rickettsia, chlamydia, called broad spectrum antibiotic. Example include tetracycline, chloramphenicol, amoxicillin and last one, streptomycin. In that antibiotic, first we discuss example penicillin. Penicillin was discovered in 1929 by Alexander Fleming in England. It is extracted from the mold Penicillium notatum and Penicillium crystallogenum. Classification of penicillin include following four classes. First, natural penicillin. Example, benzyl penicillin and phenoxymethyl penicillin. Second, penicillinase resistant penicillin. Example, cyclosilins and methicillin. Third class, broad spectrum penicillin. Example, ampicillin and amoxicillin. Fourth one, penicillin active against Pseudomonas. Example, carbenicillin. Penicillin work by following mechanism of action. Penicillin is bactericidal in action. It is effective mainly against multiplying organism. Penicillin act by interfering with synthesis of bacterial cell wall. Next one, adverse effect of penicillin. First, intolerance. In that intolerance, it involves anaphylactic shock and allergic reaction. Second side effect, superinfection. Third one, hyperkalemia, that is on administration of potassium salt of penicillin. Fourth one, hypertension, palpitation, auditory and visual disturbance. Fifth one, renal complication like hematuria and albuminuria. And last one, thrombocytopenia, drug fever, asthma and skin rashes. Next one, therapeutic uses of penicillin. First, to treat pneumococcal infection. Second, in streptococcal infection. Next, staphylococcal infection. Fourth, meningococcal infection. Next, syphilis and gonorrhea. Next, to treat diarrhea, tetanus, rheumatic fever or granulocytosis, to treat anthrax and actinomycetes. Next one, we discuss aminoglycoside antibiotic. Aminoglycoside antibiotic are the amino sugar with glycosidic linkage. They are highly effective against gram-negative bacteria. Example, streptomycin, gentamicin, kanamycin and neomycin. In that we discuss streptomycin. It is obtained from Streptomyces griseus. Mechanism of action of streptomycin include the ribosome prepare enzyme under the direction from messenger RNA, that is mRNA. Streptomycin combine with bacterial ribosome and interfere with mRNA ribosome combination and destroy the bacterial cell. Next one, adverse effect. First, ototoxicity. In that streptomycin causes damage to 8th cranial nerve. Next, nephrotoxicity, superinfection, intolerance. Intolerance includes skin rash, dermatitis and pericarditis. Orally, it may cause nausea and vomiting. Next one, therapeutic uses of aminoglycoside antibiotic. Streptomycin is used in the treatment of following. First one, tuberculosis, plague, urinary tract infection. Next, meningitis due to H. influenza, bacteremia, endocarditis, respiratory tract infection, gonorrhea, and last one, brucellosis. Preparation include streptomycin injection in the dose 0.5 to 200 mg intravascularly per day. Next, we discuss macrolide antibiotic. Macrolide consists of large lactone ring to which sugar are attached. Example, erythromycin, spiriamycin and lincomycin. In that we discuss example erythromycin. Erythromycin is a microlide antibiotic. Mechanism of action of erythromycin include it inhibit protein synthesis at 15S ribosome level. Adverse effect of microlide antibiotic, that is erythromycin, include allergic reaction, obstructive jaundice, epigastric distress, nausea, vomiting, hepatitis. Next we discuss therapeutic uses. First one, in respiratory tract infection. Second, sinusitis. Third, alternative to hypersensitive patient. Next one, preparation. Erythromycin tablet in the dose 250 to 500 mg orally. Trade name alathrocin. Next we discuss tetracycline. Tetracycline are broad spectrum antibiotic and are naphthalene derivatives. Mechanism of action of tetracycline includes tetracycline act by inhibiting certain enzyme system of bacterial cell. They also suppress the synthesis of protein in the microorganism. Tetracycline from complexes with certain cation like calcium and magnesium, which are essential for functional activity of various enzyme system and ribosome. They are bacteriostatic in action. Next, adverse effect of tetracycline on oral administration. It causes nausea, vomiting, epigastric distress, and low stool. Intolerance. In intolerance, pigmentation of teeth, a brown-black colorization of teeth and nails, skin rash, dermatitis. Latter one, liver toxicity. Liver toxicity include jaundice, pancreatitis, fatty generation of liver. Administration of tetracycline in pregnant women may lead to yellow staining of teeth of infant. Tetracycline chelates with calcium, therefore deposited in the area of calcification in bones and teeth. Tetracycline administered during pregnancy are deposited in fetal bone and may reduce the linear growth of the fetus. However, to prevent damage to the bones and teeth in the growing fetus, tetracycline should be avoided after 4 months of pregnancy. Tetracycline are also deposited in the nails. Fluorescence of nail may be demonstrated after prolonged tetracycline therapy. Next one, preparation. Tetracycline hydrochloride capsule. Dose of tetracycline, that is 1 to 3 gram daily in divided doses. Trade name Tetrasen, Restylane, Terramycin SF. Next, therapeutic uses of tetracycline. First use of tetracycline is in plague. Second, in cholera, rickettsial infection. Next, in urinary tract infection. Next, in respiratory tract infection. Next, in pneumonia. Next, in bacillary infection. And last one, we discuss chloramphenicol. Chloramphenicol is a broad spectrum antibiotic originally derived from Streptomyces venzula. Mechanism of action of chloramphenicol include it inhibits synthesis at 15S ribosomal level. Thus, it acts as a bacteriostatic. Adverse effect of chloramphenicol include following. First one, intolerance. In that intolerance, skin rash, hemorrhage. Second, bone marrow toxicity. In that, bone marrow depression, thrombocytopenia, a granulocytosis, aplastic anemia, cyanosis, and gray baby syndrome. Third one, superinfection. Fourth one, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. Last one, headache, mental confusion, peripheral neuritics, and delirium. Next one, preparation. Preparation include chloramphenicol capsule 1.5 to 3 gram daily in divided doses. Second, chloramphenicol palmitate in the form of suspension 125 mg per ml for pediatric use, 15 mg kg per day. Next one, we discuss therapeutic uses. Chloramphenicol is used to treat following infection. First one, typhoid and paratyphoid fever. Second one, meningitis. Next, urinary tract infection. Next, infection of ear and eye. Next, in plague. Next, rickettsia infection. Next, chlamydia infection. And last one, intracranial bacterial infection. In that, we discuss gray baby syndrome, which is adverse effect of chloramphenicol. In that, it is a dangerous complication of chloramphenicol therapy. It is observed in infants and neonates. It develops when the dose of chloramphenicol is allowed to exceed 100 mg per kg body weight per day. The clinical manifestation appears within 2 to 9 days following first dose of chloramphenicol. The initial signs and symptoms are: first one, vomiting, second, lethargy, third, anorexia, fourth, abdominal distension, next, irregular respiration, and last one, shock. After 24 hours, the condition changes and produces: first one, hypothermia, second, peripheral vascular damage, third one, gray cyanosis, and next one, shock, and finally death. The factor responsible for this type of complication by chloramphenicol are: first one, in neonates and infants, the liver enzyme are not fully developed to metabolize the drug by gluconic acid conjugation. Second, immaturity of renal tubule in the infant lead to disturbance in excretion of chloramphenicol. Hence, it accumulates in the body and produces toxicity. Thank you.